What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ken, and I got Henry here, man. We at the new Star Muffler. This is the one on Blalock and I-10, man. But they got the deal. They had the deal for Texas 2K. Remember we came here the other week, earlier this week. Right. We talked to them because they had the Texas 2K special, and we ended up bringing our own muffler. We got a Super 10, Flowmaster Super 10. The thing about the Silverados, it uses a 2 3/4 inch pipes. So you got to go a size up. So you got to go to the 3-inch. I don't know what size the Rams are, man.
I don't, man. I don't.
So you got to go up by a little bit. So you got a 3-inch. And another weird thing about the Silverados, they got the little flaps on the little muffler. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh.
The flap. When you go to V4 mode, it changes the tone of it. So it might sound a little ricey. So we got to cut that off too. I'm not taking my chances, man. I'm gonna take that off too. It's kind of raining right now, so I'm gonna try to hurry this up. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. We got a good deal. We got the Super 10. We brought our own parts in, and we just gonna get them to install it. So that's what we worked out last week, and we came here to install it.
Mà phải đi ăn, mình là đi ăn tại có cái thằng nhóc này nó đem xe tới trước, xong bây giờ mình phải đi ăn chờ nó thêm. Mình không có giờ, vì nó mưa nữa, mình không muốn chờ ở đây, mình phải đi ăn.
So we'll be right back. I don't know why I talk to them like half my audience is Vietnamese. We back. Ooh, that's the last startup stop, man. Right? That's gonna be the last startup that stop.
So time to hear the power to fucking 5.3.
Hell yeah, man. Ông chạy sao, rửa đụng ra sao? Chạy sao, tốt như đó, man.
Yeah, brand new truck, dude.
Ooh, this bitch probably. Ooh. Ooh, it's fun. I'm hyped, bro. I'm hyped, man. Hey, this is the reason why we get a V8, man.
Hell yeah, dude.
This is the reason why we get a V8, baby. Check these guys out, man. I got the Chevy tips. The Chevy tips.
Yeah, no, at the moment, bro. We don't have both.
They don't play with you.
Get you one though.
Hell nah. Nah, man. I'm playing with you, man. Don't wet it on there, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I like the selection though.
Yeah.
They got a lot of choices here, man. Dang, so that's like 2-3 times the size of the Super 10, the original muffler. That hole big as hell. Can y'all cut the flap with behind it too?
We're gonna cut that.
Okay, cool. Does this sound really bad? Like a Honda Civic?
What?
Does the flap make it sound like a Honda Civic?
Nah, bro. It's gonna sound nice.
Okay.
Espérate que no toque.
Can y'all start up like that? No, I'm playing.
Oh shit. They're fucking loud, dude.
I got remote start. I got remote start if y'all want to.
Oh, we're gonna push the gas though, so you can hear it. I like how it sounds this truck just with the tray part. You're gonna see.
Shit. Dude, he's fucking loud.
It's game like 33. Oh, that whole gnarly, man.
Telling you, once you put the Super 10 back, once we connect it, it's not gonna be like that, man.
I know, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
I live in a small neighborhood.
You don't want to work at the map.
No, what's part?
No card.
No, cut. Can you cut that too? No, you can't cut that. Yeah, y'all didn't cut off the flap. Did you cut out the flap?
El flap, si le puedes cortar el flap.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't cut it off?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Es que siempre se le corta.
Oh, they didn't cut off the flap, brother.
Oh, they're about to now.
No, but I wanted to cut the flap with the muffler too, so you don't gotta weld it twice.
Yeah.
He was like, you want to cut that off too? I'm like, cut what off? And I was like, oh shit, you don't know what cut, man. I would cut some of your.
Hey man, this would get for paying $70. You have to pay for it.
Hey man, chill. No, tại cái thằng này nó quên thôi. Thí dụ tao trả 200 nó cũng quên à. Nó trả 200 nó cũng quên à. We good? Oh shit! So what pipe did you have to do? Oh, this? Okay.
Yeah.
And then you have to get all that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, man. Look good. Ooh. Where are the sensors at?
The sensor?
Sensor, where's it at?
There's it here. Okay.
Oh,
Sensor.
okay, sensor. Oh, okay, sensor's right there. Okay, cool.
Yeah. The here is no sensor.
No sensor, no.
But I like it the more, a lot more. For the cab.
No, not today, not today.
Okay. Oh,
I'm pretty sure you
I don't
will.
expect nothing too crazy. I just want to hear a little tone out of it, you know what I'm saying? It's just a muffler, man.
Oh yeah, much more deeper.
Oh yeah, that's all I want.
Good shit, good shit.
Hey, that's all I need out of it, man. Rolling shots, baby. Ooh, baby. Beautiful. I'm gonna go on the side. I'm gonna go on the side. Hell yeah, man. So in terms of just driving on the street, you just hear a faint noise. It's not something crazy loud. You'll hear it when you stop on it a little bit. You can know that it's in the back, and you know it's not something that'll attract a whole bunch of attention. The muffler itself, or at least for this truck, wouldn't be enough to be doing that. So I'd probably say that if you want to make it a little bit louder, remove the resonators behind the muffler. Regular driving, you're not going to hear it any crazy sounds. It's mostly usually loudest at cold startups, but especially cold starts. It attracts some attention, but nothing crazy that'll like piss off your neighbors, kind of thing. Another time it'll be loud is that, well, at least inside the cab, that there's going to be a little bit of drone. Flowmasters usually have a little drone to it. If you don't like a drone, some people will probably go with another muffler, such as Corsa for sure. I heard they have no drone whatsoever, and this is pretty much what the drone's going to sound like. This is probably what the drone sounds like at its worst. it's worse if you're going uphill. Oh crap, and I-8. That's crazy. Hey man, are you gonna get colored hooks?
Dude, I don't know. I thought about that, man.
You thought about that?
But see, this is what I'm talking about right here. Because I feel like the chrome exhaust tips, they look good with the chrome accents. So I feel like if I black out the back, I don't know how I feel.
Okay, put in the comments below, should Henry do chrome delete and go to black?
And show the back side of it, too.
And also the back.
I don't know why, but again, getting chrome handles kind of stupid.
Okay, chrome. And got some chrome.
You know, I realized the tips they're not in chrome. It's like brushed silver.
Comments below, should Henry go silver, chrome delete, and go with black on these, or keep the chrome? Because he has a little bit of the milled accents on the wheels, so that's kind of like a little of that color there. But put in the comments below what y'all think.
The factory ones I've seen right there, where it's flanged out, you can buy aftermarket ones and bolt it on, but them things cost like $300, man. It's so expensive.
Yep, man.
And then the guy at New Star 2 was like $150 for both of them, and then he'd weld on new ones. And I feel like overall that would be a more cheaper alternative. Cause look, bro, man, I don't know what the hell happened, but you see right here, it looks pretty center, right?
Yeah.
The muffler tip, and then look at the other side. That shit's off center, bro. You notice that?
Know how it would have been phải chút hả?
Yeah, man. What the hell?
Barely. I didn't even notice that until you said it.
I do. That's pretty bad.
I mean, no, okay, look. Half the time, if the owner never says anything, like 99.9%, nobody will ever notice that.
Oh god.
Should I review Henry's truck? Leave in comments below.
Sponsored by Toyota.
Sponsored by Toyota. Leave in the description chrome delete or and go out black. And also, should I review Henry's truck? Leave in the comments below.
When it's clean though. Not when it's fucking cookie all over the goddamn hood and windshield.
Pretty nice truck. There's a lot of cookie on it.
It's also two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive, 3.5-inch rough country. If y'all want to know more, let us know. Anyways, that should be it in terms of the Silverado. I showed you guys at the shop. It was just the Flowmaster Super 10. They were going back and forth about me deleting the resonators in the rear. I'm kind of 50-50 on it. Let me know if I should do that, because it sounds just about how I want it to sound. Just a little bit when I push on it on the gas, but nothing too crazy where it's like, man, I'm gonna wake up all the neighbors. I don't really want anything too crazy. This is just enough to kind of like hear on the inside of the truck when you stop in a little bit, but it's nothing like droning the whole cab. You can talk obviously over it. It's very subtle, but it's really nice when you step on it. You can kind of get a little response out of it. In terms of performance, I didn't really notice anything too crazy. You shouldn't be notice anything too crazy. It's just the exhaust. You're not going to notice anything. But thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if I should do the resonator delete or not. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe out there. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications for videos just like this. Henry, hey, how are you?
Right here.
What do you say to fans, man?
Tell Kane to buy a Camaro or C8 by end of 2021.
Cái đây hai sớm. Camaro, tao mua được, tao mua Camaro được, mà C8 man, có 2-3 năm nữa.